Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to do another unboxing, and this time it will be the Xiaomi Redmi 7A. So obviously this is, let's say, a cheap device from Xiaomi. The box is sealed and we can look at some specifications real quick. It's nothing much actually, it's just the color of the phone, made black, and 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. Also the serial numbers and stuff. So let's open the box. Okay, so we have some paperwork here from Xiaomi, the SIM ejection tool. This is the user guide and the warranty card. The device itself, and inside the box we have the standard charging brick. Yeah. You can just pause the video to read the things there, and the normal USB micro to USB-A. So let's look at the device real quick. See, we can look at the specification: high capacity battery, 12 megapixel artificial intelligence rear camera. We have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 and it goes up to 2 GHz. So this is like, let's say, it's kind of fast actually. You're gonna see this on another comparison video. So this processor, that I think it will compare to one Samsung Galaxy A10 or even the A20 on the fast. We have a 5.45 HD plus display with an aspect ratio of 18:9. So they have gone cheap on the material. It's basically everything, it's all plastic. Let me just turn on the device. Basically this is it. Now I'm just going to wait until the device turns on and show you guys the menu. Yeah, we have MIUI. Let me just remove the sticker real quick. Okay, so right off the box we have MIUI 10. I'm just gonna skip everything and go to the menu. Like for, let's say, if you want to buy a smartphone for elders, or let's say for a kid, this is the perfect smartphone. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on a device, I would recommend you get this one. So the apps are loading, and in a second you will see all of the menu.
Perfect.
mentioning that on the back we don't have a camera bump here. Yeah, no camera bump. So we are just waiting for the device to boot. Second. Yeah, so the device is booted up and we have 66% of battery. First thing I like to do when turning on the device is that first thing you need to connect to Wi-Fi, and after that I'm just gonna go on system update and register the device itself so I can get automatic updates. Yeah. Look, already we have let's say a big update of 384 megabytes. I'm just gonna download that. But meanwhile, just look at the device we have. We have the basic stuff, the basic menu, the basic MIUI version. Let me just open a video real quick here. So okay, for copyright thing I'm gonna open my video. Tag through Tony. Let's go. Okay. So okay, ignore that. Let's see, the quality is up to 720p. So let's look at the speaker while we're at it. We have only one bottom firing speaker here, even though it looks like two, but it's only one. If we cover this up, the right side, yeah. Totally forgot about the headphone jack. It's worth mentioning that this device has also a headphone jack. And yeah, let's go. Let's see at maximum brightness. Minimum. Okay, so just keep it in the middle and you're okay. You're okay. So this was the video, guys. A big shout out to everyone who stayed until the end of the video, and I will see you on the next one.